Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you Visual Studio Code and 3 fantastic extensions that are sure to be game changer for you. If you are like me and using Visual Studio Code as your go-to IDE or editor with multiple projects, then you are in for a treat. This is going to save you lots of time. So let's dive right in and discover how these 3 extensions can boost our productivity. The very first extension is CodeGPT. CodeGPT is a cutting-edge language model for programming and code generation. With CodeGPT, you can quickly generate top-tier code snippets in a range of programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, C++, and many more. And CodeGPT utilizes the same model used for ChatGPT. And once it is set up, you can directly communicate with ChatGPT from Visual Studio Code. You can ask questions, request code refactoring, and more. So, this is going to be an amazing video. To get started with CodeGPT, open VS Code and navigate to the extensions. Search for CodeGPT. And click install. Once installation is complete, open the command palette by pressing Command-Shift-P and type in CodeGPT set API key. Before that, you need to get an API key from OpenAI's website. If you already have it, just copy and paste it into the VS Code command palette. Now you are all set to explore the power of CodeGPT. Just enter your question or requirement and comment it. Put your cursor at the end of the comment and click Ctrl-Shift-I. Sit back and relax while CodeGPT does its magic. You can save or copy and paste the code it generates. CodeGPT also has ability to explain what the code does it in the description format. Select the code and right-click, then select Explain CodeGPT. It will generate a description in the right side tab, which you can copy and use wherever you need. One more amazing feature of CodeGPT is its ability to generate unit test code for the selected portion. Select the code and right-click, then select Unit Test CodeGPT. It will generate the code right side tab and save this. CodeGPT can help with complex projects like building a machine learning model or creating a web application. It can also help with more specific tasks like sorting an array or creating a function to calculate the average sum of set values. Give CodeGPT a try today and see how it can help you write better, faster, and more efficient code. Wow! You seem to really enjoy this video so far. Why not show your support and hit that subscribe button and give a like to this video. Let's take a look at next extension, how quickly we can boost our coding speed with the VS Code extension TabNine. Navigate to the extension tab. Search for TabNine. Select it and hit install. Once the installation is completed, let's dive right into the simple example. Here I am going to type a word and boom, TabNine already knows what I am typing and provides me with suggestions. I can even type out a longer phrase like longest substring length and TabNine will provide me with the exact text I need. All I have to do is hit the tab key. Isn't this amazing? Let's see the next extension. Are you juggling several projects at once? If so, you need to check out the Project Manager extension. It can help you stay organized and make switching between projects much simpler. After installing the extension, you will get a new icon on the left side of the toolbar. All you have to do is click on it and select or add new project. You can also add projects by going to the command palette and enter Project Manager and then save project and giving it a name. That's it. It comes under your favorites. It's a great way to keep all your projects in your favorites. It is organized and easily accessible. Give it a try now and see how it can make your life easier. Working on multiple projects at once can be confusing, and especially when you don't know which is project A and which is project B. Fortunately, there is an extension that can make your life a lot easier, is Peacock. Go to Extension, search Peacock, click on Install. After installation, you can quickly set up different colors for each project. Pressing Command-Shift-P and search for Peacock, change to favorite color. The window will change to your favorite color. You can pick a color or let Peacock surprise you with one. If you found this video enjoyable and helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks.